Hello students, today we are going to study the merits and demerits of median. What are the positive points about the median and what are the negative points about the medians. So let's start with the merits. First one is it is easy to calculate and simple to understand. That means the median formula is easy to calculate and very simple to understand. Now the second point is it can be calculated for frequency distribution having open-end classes. If the frequency distribution are of open-end classes, then we can use median value because we need only the median class. Okay, if the sum of the class are open, it doesn't matter because we need only the median class. But in AM, we close the class before finding the AM. But here it doesn't matter if the ends are open. That means if the beginning and beginning class or the last class are open, it doesn't matter because we only consider the median class. Now look here, the third point, it can be located graphically as we already did. Median can be find graphically, or we can locate median value graphically. Okay, but we cannot find AM graphically. Now fourth point, it is not affected at all by extreme values. That means it does not affect, if some of the values are very extreme, it doesn't affect the median value much. Okay, now fifth is it is the only average deal with qualitative data. When we have to deal with qualitative data, median is the only average because it divides the observation in two equal parts. So we arrange the qualitative data in ascending or descending order and then we find the middle value, which is our median. Now demerits, what are the negative point about the median? So first one is it is not capable for further mathematical treatment, as we use mean for further mathematical treatment, but median cannot be used for further mathematical treatment. Okay, it is not based on all the observation of series. As we know the formula, according to the formula we don't use all the observation here, so it is not based on all the observation. But in AM we use all the observation and we sum all the observation and then divide it by number of observation. But here it is not based on all the observation of series. Now the third is it is necessary to arrange the data either in ascending or descending order for the calculation of median. So before calculating or before applying the formula of median, we need to arrange the data either in ascending or descending form. Okay, but these things are not required in AM. Now the fourth is combined medium of two or more series cannot be obtained. As we did for mean, we can find the combined mean, but we cannot find combined median of two or more series. Okay. Now the last one is fifth point, it is affected much by fluctuation of sampling compared to mean. Whenever we take the samples and find the medians, it fluctuate more as compared to the mean. Okay, so these are the demerits of median. So hope you get the idea of merits and demerits, what are the positive point about the median and what are the negative points about the median. Thank you.